learning style video. Assalamualaikum, hello and welcome. We are from Azim's group. My dear friend, did you know about learning style? What is learning style? Learning style is the different way for students learn. The style of learning refers to an individual's preferred way to absorb, process, comprehend, and retain information.
Second, there are many types of learning styles, such as visual learning, auditory learning, kinesthetic learning, reading and writing, logical, social learning, solitary, and nature.
First is visual learning. Visual learners prefer to use of image, maps, and graphic organizers to access and understand new information.
Auditory. Auditory learning means that a student learns most effectively by listening. They will prefer listening to a lecture over reading a textbook or hearing the instruction for a project instead of figuring it out hands-on. Besides, people who tend to learn by using auditory usually work as a counselor, teacher, police, mayor, and doctor.
Next is kinesthetic learning styles. Kinesthetic learning is a style of processing information through touch and movement. On-the-job training, building simulations, and performing experiments are all forms of kinesthetic learning. It is also referred to as tactile learning or physical learning. Usually, kinesthetic learning person like making and creating things and probably don't like long lectures.
Reading and writing. Students with a strong reading or writing preference learn best through words. These students may present themselves as copious note takers or avid readers, and are able to translate abstract concepts into words and essays.
The next one is logical learning style. The logical or mathematical learner must classify or categorize things. They also tend to understand relationship or pattern, number and equation better than others. There are obviously engineer, scientists, mathematician and other technical professions. And also, logistic and mathematical learning style is also one of the rarest learning style you could find in the world.
Social learning styles. Social learning styles are used by most people in the world. For example, studying in a class with friends and teachers, or can be called studying in a group. Anyone who does social learning is more open of any situation and people around. In addition, social learning style is one of the most effective learning methods. Social learners love being around people, working in the groups, teams, and overall drive through social interaction.
Before the last, a solitary learner, also known as an intrapersonal learner, is someone who prefers to study on their own.
And the last one, nature learning styles. The naturalist learns by working with and experiencing nature. If this sounds a lot like a scientist, it's because that's how scientists learn. The naturalists love experiences, love observing the world around them, and captures the best information or knowledge through experimentation. Okay, that's all from my group. Thank you all and see you next time.